Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dreamers and hustlers, and those who are only here because someone forced them to listen, welcome. Today I want to talk to you about something that sounds small, but determines everything about your future. How to grow yourself each day. Not each month, not each year, not each time you remember. Each day, because if you don't grow daily, you'll wake up one day and realize you have been in the same place for 5 years. Except now you have new wrinkles, the same salary, and a phone with a cracked screen because you keep dropping it while scrolling TikTok. Let's begin. You see, life is strange. Plants grow, children grow. Even my phone grows in price every year. Everything grows except some people. Some people remain the same. Same mindset, same excuses, same habits, same I will start tomorrow. If you stay in one place too long, life will treat you like expired bread. People will stop picking you. Growth is not optional. Growth is survival. When I started Alibaba, I was the least qualified person in the room. I was not the best English speaker, though better than today's teenagers who think LOL is a paragraph. I didn't know technology. I didn't even know how to type properly. But I knew how to grow. And because I grew, the company grew. If you want a big life, start with small improvements. Every day someone says, Jack Ma, I hope things will get better. Hope is a very beautiful word, but hope without action is the fastest way to disappoint yourself. If your life is not moving, it's not because God hates you, it's because you are using hope as a strategy. Hope is good for praying. For life, you need a plan. Every day when you wake up, ask yourself, did I grow yesterday? If the answer is no, congratulations. You have work to do. Let me say something that will shock many of you. Your brain is not on your head for decoration. It's not a hat. It's not a rooftop. Your brain must be fed. And not just with gossip and memes, real knowledge. Read 10 pages of a good book every day. Watch one educational video daily. Listen to something inspirational every morning. If you learn one new thing a day, that is 365 upgrades per year. If you don't learn anything for a year, that is 365 opportunities wasted. Some people say learning is hard. My friend, ignorance is harder. Ignorance is expensive. Ignorance makes you stagnate. Ignorance has caused more suffering than school fees. Choose your difficulty. When you learn something new, do not become a walking encyclopedia. Some people know everything, but they cannot do anything. Learn, do. Study, apply. Watch, practice. If you want to be a writer, write every day. If you want to be a business owner, sell something every day, even if it's your old shoes. If you want to be a better speaker, speak to the mirror until the mirror gets tired. Growth comes from consistency, not convenience. Let me tell you a secret. I ask questions like crazy. The difference between a rich person and a poor person is not money, it's curiosity. When you stop asking questions, you stop growing. If you don't know something, ask. Don't pretend. Pretending is how people stay stuck. If you don't know how to save money, ask someone who does. If you don't know how to start a business, ask someone who has failed at business. They know the shortcuts to avoid. If you don't know how to fix your life, ask God. He replies faster than some customer care centers. If you hang around 9 complainers, you will be the 10th. If you hang around 9 dreamers, you will start dreaming. If you hang around 9 workers, you will start working. Human beings are Wi-Fi devices. We pick signals from those around us. If your friends are not growing, you will also stop growing. If your friends always ask for free things, soon you will be broke. If your friends spend their time gossiping, you will soon become a professional breaking news anchor. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, not those who reduce you. People who clap for you when you win are good. People who push you when you get lazy are better. People who tell you the truth when you're messing up are rare. Find those people. Keep them. Grow with them. Some of you want growth, but your lifestyle is holding you hostage. You cannot grow if you sleep 14 hours. You wake up at 11 a.m. Your phone is your best friend. You watch motivational videos, but never take notes. You pray for progress, but you don't stop procrastinating. You start many things and finish nothing. Your goals are bigger than your habits. Growth is not addition. Sometimes growth is subtraction. Remove what is distracting you. Remove who is draining you. Remove habits that are killing you. You cannot grow while carrying dead weight. Everybody wants a big dream, but very few want daily discipline. Dreams are easy. Goals are easy. Discipline is where the pain begins. Every night, write down 3 things you must do tomorrow. Do them no matter what. If you do 3 meaningful things every day, that is 1,095 achievements in 1 year. Some of you achieve 3 things in a year and wonder why life is not changing. Daily goals are the seeds that grow tomorrow's forest. Some people grow only when life forces them. They wait for heartbreak, bills, pressure, crisis, job loss. Then suddenly they are motivated. My friend, that is not motivation, that is survival. If you only grow when life beats you, you will spend most of your life getting beaten. Problems are not punishments, they are invitations to grow. When life becomes difficult, smile. Say, training has started. If you want strength, lift weights. If you want growth, lift problems. Anything that grows, you will feel uncomfortable at first. Waking up early is hard. Saving money is hard. Reading a book is hard. Building discipline is hard. Doing the right thing is hard. Saying no is hard. Improving your skills is hard. But guess what? Being broke is also hard. Being average is hard. Being confused about your life is hard. Depending on others is hard. Having no savings is hard. Regretting is hard. Choose your hard. Life will always demand effort. Growth requires pain, but the pain of growth builds you. The pain of stagnation destroys you. In the modern world, the illiterate are not those who cannot read and write. The illiterate are those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. Every year, upgrade one major skill. If you learn one strong skill per year, in 10 years you become a master. Learn a digital skill. Learn communication. Learn negotiation. Learn leadership. Learn writing. Learn money management. Learn self-discipline. Learn emotional intelligence. Your skills are your new bank account. Skills never go bankrupt. Skills never lose value. Skills can travel anywhere with you, no visa required. This one is painful. Many people keep promises to others because they don't want to disappoint them, but they break promises to themselves every day. The fastest way to lose confidence is to lie to yourself. You said you'd wake up early. You didn't. You said you'd save money. You didn't. You said you'd work on your goals today. Netflix said hello and you forgot. When you break promises to yourself, you teach your brain that you cannot be trusted. Growth begins when you keep your word to yourself. You cannot grow what you cannot measure. Write down what you learned today, what you achieved today, what you need to improve. Do this daily. It will shock you how much progress you've made after 30 days. Tracking makes you serious. Tracking makes you accountable. Tracking makes you grow. Life is the biggest university. God is the biggest teacher. Experience is the biggest textbook. If you pay attention, every day teaches you something. Failure teaches humility. Success teaches gratitude. Waiting teaches patience. People teach wisdom. Pain teaches strength. If you want growth, remain a student forever. The day you think you know everything is the day you stop growing. Let me say something many people avoid. Your life is your responsibility, not your parents, not your boss, not your country, not your ex, not your village, not your government, not your neighbor who borrowed your money and refused to pay back. You are responsible for your growth. I know many people who blame everything except their actions, but you cannot complain your way into progress. Take responsibility. Own your choices. Own your habits. Own your future. Responsibility is fertilizer for growth. Gratitude, the free medicine for the soul. When you appreciate small things, you attract bigger things. When you recognize your blessings, they multiply. Gratitude gives you peace. Peace gives you clarity. Clarity gives you progress. Progress gives you growth. Gratitude is not just saying thank you. It's living with a sense of appreciation and humility. Wake up grateful. Sleep grateful. Grow grateful. When you help others grow, you grow twice. Why? Because teaching reinforces learning. Serving builds character. Giving opens doors. Kindness creates networks. Helping others forces you to be better. You do not lose anything by lifting others. You only lose when you refuse to grow. Some people dream too small because they fear failure. But small dreams don't motivate anybody, not even the dreamer. If you want to grow, think bigger. Speak bigger. Act bigger. Believe bigger. Life expands according to your courage. Let me reveal one secret of successful people. They start before they are ready. If you wait to be perfect, you will wait forever. If you wait to know everything, you will never start. If you wait for the right time, you will watch others grow while you remain a spectator. Starting is the magic button. Start with fear. Start with doubt. Start with confusion. Start with uncertainty. But start. Growth loves movement. My friends, listen carefully. Growth is not an accident. Growth is a decision. Every day you have a choice. Grow or stay the same. Improve or repeat. Move forward or remain stuck. Become better or become bitter. Life will not change for you unless you change yourself. Your future is not determined by luck. It is determined by daily growth. So wake up tomorrow with this mindset. Today I must grow. Today I must upgrade. Today I must move forward. Do this every day, and 1 year from now, you will not recognize yourself. 10 years from now, the world will not believe where you came from. And 20 years from now, people will say, you are lucky. But you will smile and say, no, I just grew daily. Thank you.